And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So tonight we have a very, very, very inspiring story. But before that, I have a commercial. So meron akong t-shirt, itong suot ko. May Kape at Kwento t-shirt. If you want to order, you can direct message me. So ito siya. Ayan siya sa front. And ito siya sa back. Oops, hindi masyado makita. Ayan. Ayan. Yan. So, nasa t-shirt na po ang Kape at Kwento, kwentong pagbabago ko na show. Sa susunod, nasa online selling na rin ako. Makikita nyo na ako sa online selling. So, ganyan ako ka-passionate sa business ko para ma-promote ang aking website. So, DM nyo ako for purchases. So, tonight, I will share a story that touched my heart. A story of perseverance, faith, and God's quiet strength in the middle of life's chaos. So I once talked to a friend who went through a very tough season. Nag-work siya abroad for many years. Stable yung job niya, malaki yung income niya, and everything seemed fine on the outside. Pero sa totoo lang, pagod na rin siya. Every day felt like the same. Work, stress, tutulog, tapos repeat. Parang ako lang din. Tapos one night, she told me, Lori, I'm thankful sa kung ano meron ako, but I feel empty. Parang I'm not existing. Parang I'm only existing, not really living. So parang nabubuhay lang siya, pero hindi siya talaga buhay. Tama ba yung Tagalog ko? So anyway, she wanted more than just survival. She wanted meaning. She wanted to build something na lasting. A life where she could have freedom, time, at saka purpose. But letting go of her old life, natakot siya. Baka daw mag-fail siya or baka hindi siya ready. Then one day, while she was praying, she felt this gentle whisper in her heart, I am with you. You don't have to have it figured out, just trust me. So that's when everything changed. She started her journey not because she was confident in herself, but because she was anchored in God's purpose. So she said, sabi niya, Lord, if you place this dream in my heart, you will guide me through it. So along the way, things weren't always easy. There were moments of doubt, moments na she questioned if she made the right choice. But she learned to find peace, knowing that she was assured of God's presence. That even in her lowest days, he was walking beside her. So now, she continues to hold on, anticipating on God's promises every day. Because she knows what God starts, He will complete. So maybe you can relate also to her story. Maybe you're in the season 2, uncertain, afraid, or trying to hold it all together. Pero mga kakwento, hear this. God empowers you to persevere. You're not alone in the process. He's shaping you, strengthening you, and preparing you for something bigger. So when you anchor yourself to His purpose, you gain direction. When you rest in His presence, you find peace. And when you trust His promises, you will keep moving, even when the path isn't clear. So tonight, wherever you are, remember this. You may be tired, but you're not abandoned. You may be waiting, but you're not forgotten. So keep walking because the same God who called you will carry you through. So may you always find strength in God's purpose, presence, and promises. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next live. That would be tomorrow. I will have a go live tomorrow, Saturday. That would be 5 p.m. Philippine time and 10 a.m. UK time. I have a very, very special guest originally from Cavite and she's now in UK. So tomorrow is Saturday, 7 hours pa rin ang interval sa UK pero on Sunday, 8 hours na ang interval. So tomorrow, see you. Watch for our live with my guest, special guest from UK. So bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more, you may direct message me or register on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link. Sorry, I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.